still on the matter on street chants. The question when I carry enter street today now. Nah, very funny funny question. Not to say they funny, but a straightforward question. Most Nigerians, if you see them, when they make money, they go just buy like 20 cars. They for the same car go they road. That's why you see and say hold up they too much for Nigeria sometimes. Charlie Lagos, Spain Lagos and Charlie. One person go get like 6 cars, 7 cars, 10 cars. And the same time, the whole car go there for road the same time. Tell me how hold up no too much for Lagos. They and every ticker carry one buy car for Lagos. Yes, seriously, everybody needs to buy a car, but at least more know if not like 2 or 3 cars or more the maintainer. Not all of them just zero at the same time. So the question I throw today be say, if you get money, if you make up for life, how many cars go like buy? How many cars go like acquire for life? How many cars go like get? Maybe your garage, maybe look at Gatti, different cars, you know that kind of thing. We could just know, still on the matter on Street Chants on Wazobia TV. If they watch me live, don't touch that. If you touch that, the TV go shock you. How far now? You get motor?
I get motor, but it day though.
You day though? Why you leave the motor for you?
I just patrol. I just patrol coming here.
Okay. So what you did there? Okay, if you make money, you get money.
Not me get the motor by myself. I get drive for somebody.
You drive for somebody. If you make money well, like how many cars go like get?
Even though I get to 2, it don't do now.
Get 2, it don't do.
It don't.
Just say 2, don't do for you.
It don't do now. Only me cannot carry Nigeria.
Only you know if you carry Nigeria.
Nah, at all.
The way some politicians they carry Nigeria. Some politicians, yes, say some people when they enter their car park like they do see and say, like say they the same motor.
It depends on how they character be. They don't need another person to survive.
You see, that kind of thing. Still on the matter, the man say only 2 is they okay with her. Okay, if now you have her.
Well, if I can only get 1 vehicle, I'm okay. 1
vehicle?
Yeah. One truck. It's okay.
Yes. This guy, for the business angle, now the guy looks so.
Yes.
For the business angle.
1 truck is okay.
1 truck?
Yes.
And only that truck, what you want that they do?
Since I can cater for my family, I'm okay.
Go that to take care of your family?
Yeah.
All right, still on the matter on Street Chants on Wazobia TV. Back at that. The guy say 1 truck, 2. Still on the matter. Bro, how far now? How you did?
Good.
If you make them for life as a day, like if you make them too much money there on the side, how many motor you like buy?
As in car.
How many?
I would like buy make them as in have the money.
If you get the money, so much money, you know that kind of thing.
I would like to buy my choice now. I buy for my wife and myself.
Only 2.
That's 2. It's
only
okay
2
for me, yeah.
2 is okay for you.
Yeah.
You sure? Don't say when money don't come like money get spirit too. Before you go see one thing, I like the money go. I can buy.
I can't drive 10 cars at the same time now.
Some they do it like that now. Bro, if now you go.
You know people like when you get money, people like plenty cars now. You would like to get like all these politicians when they get use their house make car park. If I get the one where they go to guide my children, they go school. The one where go now 3 is okay for me now.
The one go carry your children go school.
Go school.
The one go to carry your
carry my wife special and my own special. One go to carry and they go work. As a businessman, but as a politician, I know if they say money where we supposed to the chop, where other people supposed to the chop, we go bank them for ourselves. They for our children and for our generation.
Yeah.
So we go there spend the money, make it reach other people. All this money when you die, you know you go die. Everything don't die.
Which politician you know say they chop money for this country?
I mean our politician they chop money.
If you call their names.
I know if you call their name, what make them come buy you?
They no fit buy you now. Why they fear? Call their names now, thief.
Why you go call their name? They know yourself now.
They know themselves.
Yes.
So some thief now they know say they be thief.
Yes.
You know why you tell them say they be thief? So if I just call their name, he want thief, he thief, he want thief.
You know say I go see thief now, thief before you know it. And don't let them go. What you go do? You don't.
All right, still on the matter of Street Chants on Wazobia TV. More your fioko. Bro, how far are you there? Yeah, come. You got one woman want to talk for you now. The woman yours is spread cloth. Madam, come, you don't need to make my sis. Come. Madam, come. She be the chop, the shot sis. How far now are you there?
We dey fine.
What they do for you?
Now they sell beans and
Beans
bread.
and what? Beans and bread. Only beans and bread.
Yes.
How they sell? What be your name?
I mean, Bosse.
Come, Bosse. You don't marry?
Yes, I don't marry.
How many you don't born?
3.
You don't born 3?
Yes.
And you see the sharp like this. Confirm Bosse. Which kind of hairstyle be this?
I mean, I don't get it down.
What's the name of this hairstyle? Who played that for you?
Nakiko.
Nakiko? Nakiko? Madam, as you do like this, if you make money for life now, money day like this, how many motor you like buy?
I will figure that like 10. I don't
Like
mean
10?
anything. Yes.
Only. You drive 10 car. You won't get 10 car.
Oh, mate, no market, so,
market no dey.
No market.
What you
now.
mean
We
market
don't see
no?
market sell now. We don't see people who go help you buy market. They go say no money, no money. May try for us now.
So now me go drive market come.
If you do it now.
You no know say na fasting period. As you dey now, if you no say market no dey, why your 2 nil? You dey happy?
Yes.
Carry your 2 nil, lay down for ground, pray to God. Father Lord, Father, give us market. Yeah?
Okay.
Oh, yeah, talk out.
I hear you are
Pray now.
don't pray that.
Pray.
Father, open the market.
That's why you want to pray.
sell.
The way God go tell you is pass you. He lay you serious. Bro, have fun. How you doing?
I'm cool.
Correct guy. What's your name now?
No, I don't have time now, please. I'm very sorry.
And you, una dey see Nigeria.
No,
I want follow am talk now. Say no get time, but you stand here since.
No, I want to enter inside there now. I came to work here now. I'm on duty.
I know you're on duty. Mayday, forget that thing, duty. If you get money pass like this,
It's not
like how many car you go like buy?
It's not a matter of money. I'm on duty.
I know you're on duty.
Please.
If you get money pass so like this, how many car you go like buy?
One is okay for me. What do you want to do with
yeah,
many cars?
stingy man. Bro, how far? How you doing? If not you,
No wahala. Wetin be the problem?
if you buy if you get money like this, how many cars go like get for life?
Just only 2.
Only 2.
Yes.
One for you,
One for me, one for my family.
for your family. So only you gonna use one, then your family go use one. You're a wicked person.
Why
You
now?
want me only your family gather for one.
Yes.
Then only you gonna use
I
one.
go dey use one.
Just,
I fit dey exchange with them. I go use their own, they go use my own.
that kind of thing. Just only 2 cars. That is okay. It's not bad as a man. It's not bad. No, that kind of thing. It's not man. It's not man. No man. Obi Awa, come. You go fit enter camera.
Why not?
Yeah. They say you might be one. Let me say you be fake Awa.
What do you mean by that?
Awa no dey hardly enter camera.
Why?
No, they no dey like am.
Unless you don't have the educated ones. If you have the educated ones,
All right, still on the matter. Who be where your brother?
he's my brother.
Oh, okay. Now look alike well. See, if you make am now, you get so much money in your account. How many motor you go like get?
I won't get more than 2 cars.
2 cars.
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
No say money get spirit.
No, it doesn't matter. If you are very well educated, you will learn how to manage your money.
If you are well educated.
Yes.
You see those people when they get many cars, they know they well educated.
They're not well educated. I see it as illiterates.
Illiteracy.
Yes.
Still on the matter of Street Chance on Wazobia TV, they're not going to keep us here. They say we are well educated. Now we go school. I know what chop goat meat. I know chop. Oga, now good afternoon. How far on a day? How far are you there, Oga? You there okay, so?
I do okay.
Talk your mind, oh yeah.
About what?
Just talk your mind. Get what you invest you.
Not to the investment. No, don't.
Talk your mind. Talk your mind. Talk your mind.
Under what now? No be say.
Talk your mind.
For your government, all the way things they go.
Oga, if you dey like this, as you dey like this, if you make money, so much money, how many car you go like buy?
Only 2. Yes. One for my own, one for my wife.
Oga, what of you?
The same thing.
Only 2.
Yeah.
Why you talk that guy?
The same thing now. One for my wife, one for me.
Allah, but this guy say one buy many car.
No, one buy.
Oga, if now you come,
Now okay for myself.
you buy for only yourself.
I'll go buy only the money for only myself.
Yeah.
With my family, with my mother.
Your mother.
Yeah.
You like your mama well.
I die my mommy well
You
well.
like your mama well.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, very good. Still on the matter. If you no buy for your wife.
I go buy if I get married, I go buy for my wife now. Why not?
Okay. All right, where this lady Nana? How many car you go like buy?
As many as God give me.
As many as God give you.
Yes.
And God they give all those people
If God does not give you power and strength, you cannot get a car.
Okay.
Yes.
You don't lie.
I'm not lying.
You don't lie, better lie.
Why go lie?
You don't lie, better lie. Tell me.
Life give you power. That's when you get car. If there is no life, it's not the dead man that drives car. It's someone that is alive.
So you go buy as many as you like.
As many as I want.
They call the cost hold up for Lagos.
If other people cost hold up, so me I will cost hold up.
So you self go cost hold up. So that Lagos goes this stressful for the less privileged ones.
It's not that it costs.
You are a wicked person.
I'm not a wicked.
You are wicked.
Why not?
You are wicked.
How do you call me wicked?
You are a wicked person. How can you buy 6 tanks car? All the 10 cars will be on the road.
I have to showcase my money.
Showcase your money?
Yeah.
For your money in adverts.
Of course. If I have money, I have to showcase my money.
Yeah, so if you have money, you have to showcase it.
Of course.
So if you get money now, you go put them for show glass, everybody they see them.
I'll buy flashy cars, I'll hip up so that people know that.
So you go hip up?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. All right, still on the matter of street channels on Wazobia TV. So much money, how many cars? That be the question on the street. My name is MC Shaggy. Make it not touch you there.
Pour me water now.
I pour water. Ma pour you water. My guy, every kind of water, pour water. All right, still on the matter. Remain blessed. I remain MC Shaggy. Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Oh shit! Back at that. If you.